When Albert Einstein was a child, few people, if any, anticipated the remarkable contributions he would make to science. His language development was delayed, worrying his parents to the point of consulting a doctor. When Einstein was in bed all day from an illness, his father gave him a compass. For Einstein, it was a mysterious device that sparked his curiosity in science. Soon after, Einstein's mother gave Einstein a violin. These two gifts changed Einstein's brain in different ways at just the right time. The first critical period of brain development begins around age 2 and concludes around age 7. It provides a prime opportunity to lay down the foundation for a holistic education for children. Four ways to maximize this critical period includes: encourage a love of learning. Children need to enjoy the process of learning instead of focusing on performance. Don't overlook emotional intelligence. Yes, we want children to read well and learn the foundations of maths. But we should not disregard emotional intelligence. Focus on breadth, not depth. Exposing children to a wide variety of activities lays a foundation of developing skills in a range. Don't treat young children's education as merely a precursor to real learning. Children's brain can uniquely absorb information during this critical period. It is tempting to think of early childhood education as a precursor to real education, but this may be the years that matters most. ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿਸਨੇ ਬਣਾਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਸਭਨਾ ਦੀ ਸੁਧ-ਬੁਧ ਭੁਲਾਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋਸਤੋ। ਲੇਖਕ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਆਪ ਤੁਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਨਿੱਕੇ ਨਿੱਕੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਸੂਲੀ ਟੰਗ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਐਨਕਾਂ ਲਵਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਟੀਚਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੁੱਟ ਵੀ ਪਵਾਈ ਦੋਸਤੋ। Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is a chance, accept it. Life is an adventure, dare it. Life is a sorrow, overcome it. Life is a tragedy, face it. Life is a duty, perform it. Life is a game, play it. Life is a song, sing it. Life is a journey, complete it. Life is a promise, fulfill it. Life is a love, enjoy it. Life is a beauty, praise it. Life is a struggle, fight it. Life is a puzzle, solve it. Life is goal, achieve